How to get Township account back. So guys, it's actually pretty easy, and there are 2 ways to recover your Township account. Let's get started. For the first method, open the Township app. Go to the icon on the right side of the screen. Now open the Settings option. In Settings, tap on the Save Process option. Now keep one thing in mind. If your Township account was never connected to something like Facebook or Google Play Games, then recovery becomes very limited or even impossible. So the real question is, did you connect it before you lost it? If it was not connected, then you can skip this method and go to the second one. If your account was already linked, for example, with Google, then that's good. Just select the Sign In with Google option. Now choose the Gmail account that was linked before. After that, your Township account will come back and you can continue playing. If it was not connected to Facebook or Google, then your only option is Support Recovery. For that, go to the Support option. Then scroll down and tap on Chat with Us. After that, send a message like, "I lost my account. Please help me recover it." Also share details like your old level, village name, the device you used, and the approximate time you played. Chat with Us only helps recover your Township account if it was already linked and can be verified. Still having a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.